Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of sit-ups, specifically for beginners. I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process to master this exercise and strengthen those core muscles. First things first, lie down flat on the ground or on your exercise mat. Place your feet firmly on the ground, about hip-width apart. Then, bend your knees and bring your shins at a 45-degree angle to your body. Keep your hands lightly behind your head, elbows slightly wide, and make sure your neck stays off the ground. Now, let's get into the proper form for sit-ups. Inhale as you prepare for the movement and engage your core muscles by clenching them tightly. Exhale as you lift your upper body off the ground and sit up until your abs make full contact with your thighs. Make sure to keep that 4-point contact between your hands, feet, and lower back on the mat throughout the movement. As you complete each rep, inhale as you return to the starting position without pulling on your neck. Remember to breathe properly during each set of sit-ups. Start with just 10 reps and gradually work your way up to 50 reps or until you can no longer maintain proper form or reach muscle failure. And there you have it. With this step-by-step guide, you'll be well on your way to mastering sit-ups for a stronger core in no time. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and useful for beginners. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts.